me just show you real quick how to make a splash screen. So we'll go ahead and call this splash screen, and we'll move this up to the top. There are a lot of examples of this. You can definitely look around for some more. So I don't have an image. Maybe I'll just show this loading. Pull up a big. I love the text right here. Extra large. Can you see that? Extra large. And so basically, instead of this loader here, you would put your image or whatever you wanted on there. And then if we go to the blocks, if you come to splash screen, and we'll say when splash screen opens, we want to wait, let's just say 3 seconds. And once we have waited 3 seconds, we can navigate to our next screen. And then we should be on this screen. So let's test that out. So boom, we have the loader going. And then we go to the next screen.